Okay, so we shall get started. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology, currently working as an intern in COMNET Unicel. And our today's topic of event is WordPress hosting websites. So our director of COMNET, Sir Iswanshuada Ishak, has sent us a welcoming speech for our participants about the event WordPress. We shall start with that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazwalam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thank very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa, give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community. So I hope this event using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants. Maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technology. So of course now we are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life. Online purchasing, payment using a wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn WordPress. And in COMNET, Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress. So inshallah, enjoy your learning, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. Okay, so first we need to know what is WordPress. So WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system. WordPress as a software is free for you to download and use. However, to use WordPress on the web, you will need WordPress hosting. You can use Freenom for domain and free hosting for hosting services. So what is a domain? A domain name is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, or control within the internet. Domain names are used in various networking contexts and for application-specific naming and addressing purposes. Why do you need a domain for your business? A domain name is the web address people use to find your website and business. The right domain is easy to remember, connects with customers, and enhances your brand. Freenom can help you register a domain while providing other helpful online services. Freenom is the world's first and only free domain provider. Their mission is to bring people online and help countries develop their digital economy. Using the latest Anycast cloud technology, Freenom guarantees the stability and performance of all the domains it manages. How to get a domain using Freenom? So the first step is to register a domain name at Freenom. Go to Freenom, domain search, choose a name, click check availability. If available, just add it to cart, create an account, and follow through the checkout process. We'll show a demo later on after we are finished with the slides. Freenom provides different domains, and the special feature of it is the size, which is small. That makes the domain look elegant and nice. Step 2, once you select your favorite 2-letter domain, you can proceed to checkout. Now, step 3, you have to change the DNS name servers at Freenom to reflect the ones you get from your hosting provider. A demo of the procedure will be shown and explained as well. So now we need to know about hosting. So what is hosting? A web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that hosts websites for clients. Example, it offers the facilities required for them to create and maintain a site, makes it accessible on the World Wide Web. Companies providing web hosting services are sometimes called web host. So if you're looking for FreeHost, FreeHost is a free web hosting company that provides free web hosting for all type of users. The hosting has eye-catching features like unlimited features that usually attracts the free users. After a domain, we need a hosting service. So we will get it from the Free Hosting service as it provides a lot of features for free. The hosting service can be used maximum of 1 year for free. Yeah. And after that, we have to pay annually. So for 1 year, it should be free. After we're done with the domain and hosting procedure, we can build websites with multiple plugins and free domains from Freenom of our own, hosted by Free Hosting with unlimited features. So let's head to our demo of the hosting WordPress sites for free. I'll be sharing the demo. Hold on. Okay, so the first thing we do is go to our browser and we're going to search for freenom.com. So once we are inside the Freenom website, we're going to sign in just by clicking here. So there's two options for signing in. You can use your Google or your Facebook, or you can just put your email and password here. So I'm going to use my Google for now. So just choose your account and you'll be signed in. So now click on services and click on register a new domain. Here you'll type the name of your website and click on check availability. Okay, as you can see now, we have different domains here with .tk, .ml, .ga. So we're going to choose the .ml here. Click on get it now. And click on checkout. So here you can select the period option, which is for 3 months, or 4 to 12 months, which is free. After 12 months you have to pay. So I'm going to choose the free one, 12 months, and click continue. Here just select I have read and agree to the term and conditions, tick mark, and click on complete order. Once your order has been confirmed, we're going to go to our client area. So just click here. So sometimes it might bug a little bit. So let's go to freenom.com again and click on services, my domains. So you can see our domain has been registered. Now let's go to our hosting service, which is going to be profreehost.com. Here just click on register now. You can use your email right here and just put a password of your own. Once you have registered, just click on create new account. So once you are on this web page, just scroll down and click on custom domain, and you'll type your domain name here. Okay, and before you click on the tick button, we are going to go to our Freenom, and in the client area we're going to select manage domain. Click on management tools now, name servers, select use custom name servers, and you have to put the name server here from our hosting service. So the first name server is this one. Just copy and paste it there. This is gonna be our name server 2. This is the 3, and this is the 4. Okay, 4 is enough, and click on change name servers. Okay, so the changes are saved successfully. Now go to your Pro Free Hosting again and click on the tick button. So once you are taken to this web page, we'll have to wait for a while. As you can see, our site is being created. Okay, so after a while, just refresh your page. And as we can see, our site has been created. So now we're gonna go to the manage here. Click on control panel. We have to wait for a while. Click on I approve, and you'll be taken to the cPanel. Now scroll down, and we're going to look for Softaculous Apps Installer. So it's in the software section. Just click on it. Click on install. Here you can change your site name. So my site name is going to be eReal Estate BD. Site description, my eReal Estate website. Okay. So we have to choose an admin username and password. Choose your email. Choose a theme if you'd like, or you can choose that later as well. But for now, I'm gonna just select a demo and click on install. So we have to wait for a while till the WordPress is installed. And finally, our website has been published. So this is the URL. You can just open it. So now, as you can see, we are inside the WordPress. Here you can play around with the plugins. You can create pages. You have media, everything you can do normally with an WordPress site. So let's see what's in there if we visit our website. So as you can see, our website has been published. This is the theme that we chose. You can just design it yourself. Here's the post, the media pages. You can install plugins. Here, there's few stock plugins installed. You can search and add new plugins as well. You can add users, like everything a WordPress site can do basically. So this is how you can host a WordPress website using Freenom and Pro Free Hosting. So like using this procedure, I've developed few websites. I'll just show you guys as an example. So this was a restaurant project that I worked on using this hosting provider and domain. So if you watch this, you'll basically get an idea that what you can design with WordPress. We already went through the designing part in the other events, and today we got to know about hosting online or publishing websites online basically. So I'm going to show you a few examples. There's something wrong with the internet. Let's wait. For the design part, okay, so we are here. As you can see, we registered the name, Saloma Restaurant, and the domain is .ml. So we can just go to this site, and this was a restaurant project that I worked on, and you can design something like this using WordPress. So in this web, we have just few menus and everything that the restaurant needed. You can design your own stuff, but the procedure for domain and hosting and the registration is basically the same. So you can design multiple sites. You can use WordPress for demos. So, but the thing is, for demo, it's gonna have .wordpress.com after your business name. And if you register using the domain and host, then you can get .ml. So that's all basically for today. Thank you everyone for participating, and hope to see you in the future events as well.